The National Weather Service in Genevasville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Parkertown, Anigal, Sebastian, Jackstown and Genevasville Heights until 10:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 8:40 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar spotted a severe thunderstorm near the outskirts of Denver moving east at 67 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated. Damage to trees, cars and buildings along with flying debris is possible in this thunderstorm. Move into a safe shelter or in the lowest part of a sturdy building. The storm will be near Parkertown at 8:50, Anigal at 9:15, Sebastian at 9:40, Jackstown 10 and Genevasville Heights at 10:30. This will affect I-25 northbound mile marker 20. All stations affected by this alert are requested to rebroadcast the preceding announcement.